Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use vitamin E capsule on lips. Pierce one capsule and warm the oil between your fingertips, then apply softly to clean lips. Massage in small circles for 30 to 60 seconds to stimulate circulation and allow absorption. Leave on for at least 10 minutes or overnight for deep hydration. Repeat nightly or as needed, and stop use if irritation occurs. Begin with clean hands and lips to avoid introducing bacteria. Use a clean towel to pat lips dry and position a cotton swab nearby for precision. Carefully pierce a vitamin E capsule with a sterile pin and squeeze a small drop onto your fingertip. Warm the oil slightly between fingers, then apply gently to the lip surface and edges for even coverage and to lock in moisture. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support more simple beauty tips. Quick recommendation: grab Little Tree's black ice to keep your car smelling great after self-care routines, because fresh air makes everything feel nicer. It's a playful pick-me-up that pairs surprisingly well with relaxing pamper time. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Apply the vitamin E oil using gentle, circular motions to encourage blood flow and absorption. A thin layer is perfect for daytime hydration, while a thicker layer works well overnight as an intensive mask. Reapply as needed, especially in dry or cold conditions, but avoid overuse, which can clog pores. Always monitor for sensitivity and perform a patch test if you have reactive skin or a history of allergies.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.